How to look up Bitcoin address on Cash App. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you look up Bitcoin address on Cash App. So all you need is, first thing first, tap onto the Money tab on your Cash App's home screen. And when you click on the following home screen, click on the Bitcoin section. After which, tap the Bitcoin Lite, and then next you want to tap on deposit Bitcoin options. When you do it so, then you want to copy your Bitcoin address. So you could just go ahead and click on the Bitcoin button, and there you could find the Bitcoin address. Just copy the Bitcoin address. You could either download a QR code as well or a wallet address, and that is how you could look up Bitcoin address on Cash App. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And likewise, if you have any sort of issues, you could always contact the support team and they will be able to help you out throughout the steps.